First and foremost, I am indebted to Reverend Father Ituan D'Souza, the manager of the school, who always lead us by an example, tireless work, and undaunted commitment to his apostolate. Today, the infrastructure in the school building, the surrounding campus, the multi-purpose auditorium for the school, and the latest one to add to the list is the new block for higher secondary school. The section speaks volume of his passion for this place. Thus, it is fitting for us to express our sentiments of love, joy, gratitude to him on this occasion. So, thank you, dear Father Edward D'Souza, and may you live long to see the fruits of your hard works. A big word of thank you to Brother Paul Macri, the Vice Principal, for helping us in teaching and administration of the school. To all our dear teachers who have been very cooperative in carrying out their responsibilities in the style of Don Bosco. I am sure by giving our best in all that we do, our students will have better tomorrow. As we have entered into their lives of our students, let's give them the best in accompanying them to understand their full potentiality. And to you, my dear students, I say, you are the pride of this institution. You are the sole reason for our existence. While you do your schooling at this house of Don Bosco, make these years a time when you build your lives on solid values. Make the school proud not only by good results, which you will definitely bring, but even more by learning the art of living meaningfully, joyfully, and usefully. Put yourselves on the path of becoming wonderful citizens of tomorrow who will bring glory to yourself and to the society in which you live. Dear parents, I would like to thank you for your support and collaboration. I am sure with our joint efforts, we can give the best to your wards and make our education relevant for all times. I thank each and every parent, guardian, and the dear ones of our students for your support and encouragement. We immensely appreciate your concern for us, especially your presence here today, to be with us in spite of your heavy schedule. May God bless us all. Thank you.
About the Red House, they're pulling together, and we can see both the teams, they are equally having the more strength, and their morals, they're equal. So here, more or less the yellow house is pulling. I say who's going to win? Thomas? Yes, come on. Yes, try your best now. Yes, all the team are equal. All the team are equal. That is it. Sassamdan, please come out. Sassamdan, Sassamdan, please come out. Winners versus Blue House. Blue House versus Green House. So tug of war. The team spirit, the team work. Let us find out. Get set, go! Yeah. Around here, Red House versus Green House. Let us see the team work, the moral strength, and then what to do with the perfect coordination. And the team work with the winner. Let us find out. So here you can see the team that's struggling are pulling each other, and that is the team spirit, and that is the perfect combination we want. And let us say who is the winner for the division. So Green House.
Megonni Nwjwrao, Mai burpe se bandi singera.